Hey everyone! If you're looking to torch those calories and shed some fat fast, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you the best cardio exercises for fat loss that'll get your heart pumping and your body sweating. First up, we have high-intensity interval training, or HIIT for short. HIIT is a powerhouse for burning fat. It involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. Think sprinting for 30 seconds, then walking for a minute, and repeat. The best part? You can mix up the exercises. Jumping jacks, burpees, mountain climbers. The options are endless. Next on the list, we have the classic tried and true running. Whether it's on a treadmill or outside, running is an excellent way to burn calories. To maximize fat loss, try incorporating intervals. Sprint for 20 seconds, jog for 40 seconds, and repeat. Another fantastic exercise is jump rope. It's not just for kids, it's an incredible cardio workout that can burn up to 1,000 calories an hour. Plus, it's portable and can be done anywhere. Just 10 minutes of jumping rope can be equivalent to running an 8-minute mile. If you prefer something low impact, cycling is your go-to. Whether you're on a stationary bike or riding outdoors, cycling can burn significant calories while being gentle on your joints. Try a spin class or just go for a long, steady ride. Last but not least, we have rowing. This full-body workout not only torches calories but also builds muscle. Rowing engages your legs, core, and arms, making it a comprehensive cardio exercise. Remember, consistency is key. Mix these exercises into your routine, stay committed, and you'll see the results. Don't forget to pair your workouts with a balanced diet for the best outcome. All right, that's it for today. Smash that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more tips on your fitness journey. Catch you later.